Hi, in this video we are going to see how to apply this registration for IBPS PO examination. Click here for the new registration. If you are into the browser, you can type ibps.cfeitest.com/CWEEGOJUN15/. I'll be providing this link in the description below. You can click and come to this stage. You'll be getting this pop-up menu with these important points to be noted. You can read this stuff. If you want more, you can pause it down, but click continue if you want to land up to this form. Provide your details. I have provided my first name, confirm the same, middle, last, as well as your mobile name, confirming the same. Most of the stuff is repeating here. Providing your mail ID, confirming it. Finally, the security code. This is just the basic information. It is totally a 5-step process. Click save and next. You'll get a confirmation. Click OK. But be sure you get all the information. This is very important. Your provisional registration number is provided over there. Just copy it to a notepad. I just open my notepad. Since it's not copying, you need to type it like this. Provide some information and saving that file to some location. You can minimize. This is very important. You need to choose your photograph as well as signature. I hope you already created with these instructions. The size should be 4.5 versus 3.5 and other guidelines which are provided towards the right side. I'm just scrolling it down pretty quick. If you want to know, you can just pause it down this video. I'm now searching the photo. Take some time to load. It's done. Going for choosing the file for signature. I have already made it. You can see the size. For the photograph it is 24.4 and for the signature it is 14.5. These two are prior to this, so it is approved. But in your case, you can read out the stuff to know the sizes as well as the length and height. So this is really a challenging one. If you want to know how to do this, you gotta check out my other videos in the same channel. It's done. If you want to go back, click back. But in this case, I'm clicking next. Step 3 is for the details section. So far we have completed our basic information and photo and signature. Choose your category, your disability. Some of the features are not enabled, it's in grayish color. If you are eligible to any of those things, you got a check mark accordingly. Choosing the religion, minority communities. It's very important to just inform that whether you have appeared for such examination earlier or not. If you are and also know this registration number, you need to provide those details, but it is pretty tough for those who can remember all these things at the time of application. So you can put either no or yes and keep those things empty. You can provide your Aadhaar card number if you are having it handy. I kept my Aadhaar card number, the citizenship, in which state you want to write this examination. The state code should be automatically filled up. I just want to go with S for the examinations that were held earlier. Choosing the location, state code automatically appeared. Choose the location at which you want to write the examination. Your date of birth. You can also see based on eligibility, you will be shown only certain years. Choose your gender, marital status, and your family member details. Provide your address for correspondence. You can check box that same as address for correspondence so that it will be automatically typed. Click validate your details. If you want to change any stuff, you can do that straight away here as well. One last chance. In this case, it's verified successfully. Click save and next. It should be 600. You cannot edit that stuff. Your qualification details, you need to provide that as well. Choose your graduation equivalent, post-graduation, professional qualifications, and others if any. Subject or stream, date of passing, and the marks. Similarly, you gotta do for post-graduation, professional qualification, and others. You can provide details like your computer knowledge and you have any certificates in. If it is at what level, like in diploma, degree, or secondary high school. You can also provide details of computer knowledge. Once done, move on to your work experience if you have any. Provide those details, name of the employer, your designation in it, your total period of service from month, year to month and year. Provide the nature of duties performed over there and reasons for leaving. Automatically the years of service will be populated Next section goes to languages known. You can put as many things as possible, but first one is mandatory. You can choose read, write, speak and your availability in it. You can also click or use spacebar to select those stuff. Tab to move on further. Click validate your details again. In this form, you should see verified successfully. That's a good sign to click save and next. It is asking for organization preference. This is also stuffed into the details section, part 3. It's really a cumbersome job to choose the type and it should be in top to down priority basis. I'm going to fast forward this stuff. It's coming to an end over here. There is no escaping. You gotta choose everything from left to right. Out of 23 you gotta do each and everything. Maybe first 10 you're going to do with some sort of preference, but later you can choose whatever it is because you may not be getting that in interview. Here there is one more button, but you cannot checkmark this, only to those who are SC, ST and minority communities. So you can validate your details again or click directly save and next. Expecting this time, we'll be moving out of this detail section and getting to preview. Here comes the preview section. You can check your details like any typos, spelling mistakes, your center. That's pretty important. You're not going to choose any other location wherein it will be tough for you to go there and run examination. So once everything is done, you can click on final submit, but click I agree. For the terms, you should see your photograph and signature are properly lined up. You gotta get a final confirmation. Click OK to that pop-up machine, and I'm expecting that it will be done. Takes a couple of seconds over here. Have some patience. It is always recommended to get these things done prior. Don't rush into the last time. Go for online payment section, security code. This is step 5. Step 4 is pretty easy though, since you are providing your information and just checking. Click submit here, click OK. Here you can choose the mode of payment and the bank. I'm going with internet banking and ICICI. Make payment. I'm going to skip that stuff over here, how I do that, but in your case you gotta do your online payment. Here you see the confirmation message, 612, so 12 rupees for processing. A total an acknowledgement has been provided over there. For a backout, you can just save this one and mail it to your ID. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for more videos. This is Kiran signing off. Have a good day. Bye bye.